What what is up? 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 Okay, cool. Okay, this is damn, bro. Okay, this is going to be a trade recap for 11th of March 2026. I am really, really glad that I am not a degenerate fucking gambler because a lot of people lost trading CPI today. So I'm not doing that. I'm just over trading. It's not gambling. I'm just using my trade knowledge, trading knowledge to actually execute an entry. So it's much, much far, far better than actually trading a CPI news and making profits out of it or whatever, passing an account or whatever it is. So right here, I got two entries for the day. The first one was a little bit more convincing to go shots, go for a short entry right where it is. I really don't know why this shit is happening. Okay, cool. So as you can see right here, we got a liquidity sweep and then we didn't actually sweep out this high or this high. So that alone makes me to go bullish today because also we could see right here we have a 15-minute inversion and this 15-minute fair value gap is still holding, and also on top of it we got this low that has been left alone by this pre-market London session. Anyways, whatever. But this was really convincing after uh seeing the first 15-minute candle. So I was like literally there's a 15-minute fair value gap right here, and we really didn't actually sweep Asian high right there. And I know that the price is about to go up and sweep that, but selling and sell entry was really obvious. When I got to the 1 minute, I mean when I got to this point right here, let me show that. It's right here. As you can see, we got this inversion and this third candle low has been swept. That's a clear manipulation. And then we got this 1 minute breakup structure and then 1 minute fair value gap that's been holding, pushing down the price. So I thought, okay, the price is really after this fair value gap being formed. I entered on a position right around this candle, and yeah, I just got stopped out immediately. Um, right here, I got stopped out, and after seeing this inversion, and on top of it, we got Asian high and also previous day's PM session high. So everything was aligned up, and also my first daily bias was being bullish because, as you can see, we have the CPI news data right here, and we already swept out the CPI data low, but the high has been pending, and market open, and it really swept out the high, and then as you can see, we got this initial manipulation move, and then we got this real inversion right here, and then I got this inversion. And also on top of it, what was more convincing for me to be bullish again after losing the first trade is because this is market open low, right? We sweeping our market open low. If the price really want to go down, it should probably hold this fair value gap and at least break down this low, which really didn't happen. So we got an inversion plus a market structure shift right here, and then nothing much. I was just targeting $1,500 and the exact amount that I need to be targeting to pass the account, and then exactly to the point. I got really lucky over there. To the point, hit my take profit. I didn't actually manually close it. My take profit got executed, and then I was just kicked out of the trade. But End of the day, that was a clean trade. As you can see, after seeing rejection, I ended on this trade. And if this trade would have stopped me out, got if I would have got stopped out on this trade, I'd probably might have lost this account. Um, yeah, $750 on this trade, another 750 on this trade, already lost. So until this rejection happened, I was like thinking that I am definitely going to get stopped out, but I didn't. That's a whole beauty of this trade, right? So once I saw this, once after getting this high, once actually after getting this candle close, I put my stop loss a break even, and it's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. 6 minutes on this trade, I made 2,000 something dollars, recovering this loss plus the money that I need to make on this account to get account to be passing. So these are the two trades. I didn't trade after that, and yeah, so a clean second entry. And I was a bit aggressive because this is an eval account, so I don't really want to waste my time on evals. I really just want to stack up multiple accounts and then like trade with it. I really need to do that really quick. I wanna stack up a lot of accounts, probably 28 packs, five on Lucid, five on Top Step, five on my Fund of Futures, five on Alpha. Alpha actually made five accounts now, so we can also get five accounts in Alpha Capitals, Alpha Futures actually. So this was a nice trade. I I really don't know, bro. I really don't know how did I do this. I really don't have any idea about how I did this. But I know for a fact that the data actually showed me where it's gonna go, and then uh and also this screen time. Screen time is the most important thing. It's not the strategy, but the screen time. Screen time plus the strategy will make you profitable. I really need to show the execution because I was on live and it was really, really an amazing trade. 9:50 now, it's live 9:59. I did go to gym, woke up to the first alarm and did my cold shower, pray to God. It was a perfect morning, bro. Right here. There it is, the first entry. He immediately got stopped out. And that did really actually made me freak out a little bit. What do you mean, bro? There it is. I really thought I'm gonna get stopped out. And then look at that. Red. But cool. I was really cool. I don't know how I did that. Break even as soon as the scandal closed. Break even. Look at that. Recovered the loss on the initial the first trade. So trading my stop loss, hit my take profit. Done. Too much reaction. So that is about it. That's about the trade recap for 11th of March. It was an amazing day. Overall amazing day. So that's about it. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible if you believe in God. So just keep going. All you have to do is put one step in front of you and keep moving, though. So that is the only key thing behind whatever the journey that you're having. So never lose faith in you. If you if you doubt yourself, then I don't know, bro. You cannot quit if you believe in yourself. So just keep going. That's the key. And I am out. Adios.